CU-02 fluorescent tube starter replacement demonstration. First, turn off the power. Use a long screwdriver to test whether the electric grid is still powered. After confirming that there is no power, move the insect trap lamp to a suitable place. We are going to remove the top cover. Unscrew the screws around it. Then the cover can be removed. We find the starters here, just like those light starters we have at home. It is easy to remove with a slight twist. To install a new starter, just align the 2 feet at the bottom of the starter with the holes on the starter base. Insert and turn slightly. The other one too. Then the replacement of the starters is done. Put the cover back on the insect trap lamp and then fix the screws to complete.